Is your system execution path getting interrupted by the wcmzip32 DLL? I'm Sophie Chen, a senior Windows support engineer, and I'm ready to repair your OS stability. Quickly resolve wcmzip32 inconsistencies with the official optimization software linked below. This is the wcmzip32, the Windows Connection Manager zip library. It provides unmanaged compression routines used specifically for managing network profile data. It facilitates the storage of compressed network configuration manifests for faster orchestration. With the why out of the way, let's focus on getting you running again. Because wcmzip32 DLL is a core Windows resource, we should utilize the built-in recovery tools. Run sfc/scan now from an administrator-level command prompt to scan for system-level errors and refresh your protected file library. If you're still seeing the missing file notification, we should attempt to force a synchronization between the software and the OS. A quick system restart is a practical way to ensure that all shared libraries, including wcmzip32, are being loaded correctly into the current session's memory. To keep this tutorial handy, make sure to bookmark it or hit like button before you reboot. It saves you from having to look for the video again once you're back online. Since the restart didn't reset the service, we'll manually trigger the refresh now. If you need to pause the video anytime during these instructions, go ahead. If the restart didn't fix the library error, we need to manually repair the specific C++ redistributable package. First, go to Control Panel, then select Programs and Features. Second, find every Microsoft Visual C++ redistributable, 2005 through 2022. Third, right-click each and select Change, then select Repair. If that fails, download the latest all-in-one VC++ redistributable package from Microsoft's website. Please note that for DLL files with numbers, the number tells you which version to repair. For example, 120 equals 2013. To prevent any secondary issues, I recommend a cautious approach to downloading individual system files. I strongly advise you to prioritize system safety by avoiding manual swaps of wcmzip32. Third-party DLL sites are a primary vector for hackers to inject ransomware directly into your operating system's core. To reduce technical overhead while maintaining high security, here is a professional method for managing system-level file health. Return to your workflow by reviewing the diagnostic information below related to wcmzip32 and system efficiency. Thank you for watching. To continue receiving professional-grade solutions for wcmzip32 and other PC errors, please subscribe to our support community.